This video explains the Loads Broker to Me module at Full Circle TMS. As a subscriber to the Exchange version of Full Circle TMS, you gain access to Loads Broker to Me. The subscribers on the Enterprise version of the software can easily broker loads to you. Loads Broker to Me is an easy, powerful tool that enables your company to keep these brokers updated on the status of the shipments they broker to you. Loads Broker to Me is easy to find. Just go to the Network tab and then click Loads Broker to Me on the left menu. When you first go to Loads Broker to Me, the default shows all the active loads brokered to you. You can filter them by the broker's order or manifest number. On the right side of the screen, you can refresh the screen either manually or automatically. Clicking any column header will sort the grid by that column data. The grid provides you with access to all the information you need to execute the load. You have the broker name, your assigned asset, and if it's not assigned, it'll say unassigned. You can just click the link to assign a truck to the load. You'll have the broker order number and the manifest number, and you can click into these to see more details. You can see how much you're going to get paid. If you've signed the rate con, it'll just show you the amount. If you haven't signed the rate con, you can click Sign Rate Con to sign the rate con. Additional columns show the shipment status and next event, a count of the notes, and you can click into the notes to see and share notes with the broker. You'll see the last known location of your truck, and you can click into the position to manually update the location of your truck. You'll see the next stop, name and city, the scheduled date and time to the next stop, the ETA to the next stop, which is calculated from the last known location to the next stop and dividing by the average speed of your truck. You'll see the distance to this next stop, the minutes remaining to get to the next stop, and if you're going to be late, how many minutes late you'll be to that stop. You'll see the speed used to calculate the ETA and the speed your truck must go to still make the scheduled date and time to the next stop. Finally, you'll see the first pickup name and the final delivery name and city of the order. To the left of each order is a gear function. This includes the ability to do the next event on the shipment, which could be arrive, load, or empty, assign a vehicle to the shipment. Now, if you subscribe to the semicircle, this option is extremely powerful, so see the semicircle documentation for more information. You can view the broker agreement like the RateCon document. You can view the order summary, and this is a document of everything that's happened with the order. You can provide a check call like a vehicle position update. You can view your carrier information. You can upload documents to the broker, which includes bill lading, POD, even your invoice, and you can create and view notes shared with the broker. The asset column shows the truck that's assigned to this particular order. It will say unassigned if you have not assigned any truck. Just click on the link to either assign the truck or change the data that you got stored there. We highly recommend you enter your truck number and your pro number so the broker knows your information. Clicking on the broker order number will show the order summary in PDF format. This PDF contains all the latest information about the order. Drilling into the link in the next event section opens a screen where you can enter the next event data. Doing this will automatically update the broker regarding the shipment status. If you subscribe to Semicircle, by the way, your driver will do these events using Circle Mobile. If you update manually, for each event, the current date and time will appear. Make sure you enter the correct date and time if it happened in the past. The events will be either one of arrive to a shipper or consignee, load, which lets you enter the load data, including the bill of lading number, pieces, and weight, and empty, which lets you do the empty of the consignee and enter the proof of delivery signature. The pay column is probably the most important column there. This shows the amount the broker is paying you on this shipment. Drilling into this will let you see the rate confirmation document. If you have not signed the rate con, you will see the text Sign Rate Con. Otherwise, if the rate con has been signed, you just see the rate. When you click Sign Rate Con, it will open a screen where you can sign the rate con and enter your load information, like your order number, driver, truck, etc. Both you and the broker will get a copy of the signed rate con. The notes column will show a note count. You can drill into this and it will show all the notes the broker has shared with you or the notes you have shared with the broker. You can add notes at any time and the broker will get your freeform notes. The position column shows the last known location of your truck and the date time of that location. If you subscribe to Semicircle, your assigned truck will automatically update the truck locations. You can drill into this to provide a new position or to see historical positions. To manually update your truck position, enter a city state and then click Add Position. You can toggle between active and historical loads. Historical loads will have all the information from past work you've done for a broker, including payment status, access to paperwork, upload new paperwork, etc. There's some really important data in historical loads. For example, the pay status. Below the pay amount will be the status of the payment in the broker's system. It can have one of the following options. Unaudited, meaning dispatch has not yet audited the pay. Audited, meaning dispatch has audited the pay and is waiting to get posted or imported. Approved means that the admin has reviewed the pay and has approved it to pay. And posted means that the invoice has been posted into the broker's accounting system. From the historical, you can also view and sign rate cons if it hasn't been done. You can review the trip summary, and you can continue to upload documents, including your invoice, right into the broker's system. There are huge benefits to the carrier here. They can see all the loads brokered to the carrier if they're an exchange subscriber from any full circle broker in one screen. Everything is automated, so as you, the carrier, update the screen, your broker's order is immediately updated. In terms of communication, everything is in writing and is logged. You see the rate con, the addresses, the pieces, the weight, the dates, the times, the notes, etc. If you are on Exchange, there is no need for you to use Carrier View, and this is a free module. There's no charge to use this. The broker gets great value as well because exchange-level companies have visibility to broker order details right online. Everything is automated, so as the carrier updates the screen, the broker's order is immediately updated. In terms of communication, again, everything is writing and logged. They get the rate con, the rates, the address, the pieces, weight, all that stuff, and they no longer need to use Carrier View for companies on Full Circle. This is a free module for both the carrier and the broker. Companies who subscribe to the enterprise version of the software have a huge automation advantage to track and manage their shipments. If they dispatch to their own truck, their drivers use Circle Mobile to automate the entire life cycle of the shipment. This includes position updates, events like arrive, load, empty, POD signature capture, uploading paperwork, shipment notes, and so much more. If they dispatch to another enterprise-level subscriber, the Load Link module automatically copies load data to their partner system, and then it is dispatched to a driver with Circle Mobile. So the enterprise subscriber has the same automation and visibility as if it was on their own truck. If they dispatch to a semicircle level subscriber, the Loads Broker to Me module lets the exchange subscriber assign a Circle Mobile trained driver on the load. The semicircle partner drivers have been fully trained on Circle Mobile. So again, the enterprise subscriber has the same automation and visibility as if it was on their own truck. If they dispatch to an exchange-level subscriber, the Loads Broker to Me module lets the subscriber manually update the load. As long as the exchange-level subscriber updates the load, the enterprise subscriber has the same automation and visibility as if it was on their own truck. If they dispatch to a carrier that is not a subscriber to Full Circle, the enterprise-level subscriber can use Carrier View and either Circle Mobile for Carrier View or MacroPoint to track the shipment. If the assigned driver uses Circle Mobile, the enterprise subscriber has the same automation and visibility as if it was on their own truck. Brokers using the enterprise version of the software have a variety of ways to fully automate their operation, especially if they use the capacity of other subscribers of the Full Circle product set. No other TMS has this level of built-in broker carrier functionality. For Loads Broker to Me, the carrier can see and sign the rate con, assign vehicles, do all the trip events like arrive, load, empty, and check calls, see all the trip-related information, see the notes, upload their paperwork right into the broker's order, including the bill of lading, POD, their invoice, etc. This is available to anyone on the Exchange or Semicircle version of Full Circle TMS. Thank you for watching this overview of Loads Broker to Me.